Welcome again, family. We are here off Eastwood Park Road. Boy, that one is sweet. Really did want to bring you one of these. Now, this one is two of our 12,000 watt smart touchscreen hybrid inverters. I just call it a smart inverter with 42 of our 700 watt solar panels and 6 of our 5 kilowatt hour day batteries. Now we're here at a business place. This is a medical center. They use a lot of power. I figure like a 200,000 light bill or more. If you want to know the price of this system, stick to the end of the video. You can see that they have a parking garage here. So some of the panels are in the parking garage. Half of the panels, in fact, half of the panels are on the main building. 42 panels, it took us 2 days to complete this installation. So you have an idea. We deliver and install as soon as possible. We don't like to hold your money and don't give you your goods. Once we get your money, we try to come with the goods and fast and install it. This took 2 days. They have 2 different type of roofs. This is zinc roof for the parking garage, and this is like a dechromatic, they call it, I guess, for the main building. And you know, there was a big generator here that's no longer going to be used because they have batteries. So that generator, it probably wasn't working. I think they said it stopped working or something. They're just taking it out of service. The savings that you're going to make not having to service your generator, that's big savings, you know. I mean, when you have a big generator, you know, it can cost a lot to keep it running. You're in a business place with a big generator, you have those savings as well as saving off the power bill, the utility bill, the power company. Yeah. All right, so here we have the power room. Now, this installation was a little bit different because this power room is very small, so the inverters and the batteries couldn't hold in here. You see all the panel boxes and automatic transfer switch, all of this was here, and we integrated all of this into our installation. All of this is new stuff. So you have all of your breakers for your solar panels and the 2 inverters, load side and your grid side. It pays when you have professionals do your installation. You get the results that you really want. Yeah, man, you can see they obviously had a good electrician do the original building with the transfer switch. They had that big generator there on the transfer switch, which we removed. That's what the owner wanted. We can keep your generator on the system if you want. Some people want that. But I think for the savings, when it comes to servicing that generator, keeping the generator running, probably best to just disconnect it. Once you have enough batteries. Batteries are getting really affordable these days, so you don't want to skip on batteries. Just buy the batteries that you need, and even some more. So we mounted the inverters and the batteries on the inside of the building. So here we are now in the inverter corner. We are adjacent to the power room. You know, we have all the breakers and switches and all that. We mounted them up high. Basically, kids and so, you know, won't have access to them. I'm 6 feet tall, so this is above 6 feet up. Yeah, I don't think they're going to see a JPS bill again. This is the best brand. There, yeah. Look it up. Do your research. This is just seamless operation. Truly a smart inverter. This is a medical facility, so obviously there were considerations. It has to be approved by the Ministry of Health and so forth. You can't just slap in your equipment. But please, you know, always get a professional installation done. You don't want to make a big investment and just have it being slapdash done. You can hear that there's some wind noise because these do have fans. You can hear those monster fans blowing out the hot air at times. Right now it's not that hot. This is a concrete wall. If the wall is not solid, we can't mount them. They're heavy, probably close to 100 pounds. It just wasn't ideal. So put the batteries here. This is where everybody walks. So if you put the batteries here, it would take up too much space. It wouldn't look proper. So let's see how we solve for that. In the other room, adjacent to this passageway now, in the other room is where we have the batteries. Let's take a look at that. So here we are. 6-day, 5 kilowatt hour batteries. Total of 30 kilowatt hours. Today is kind of a rainy, cloudy day. Whenever they're pulling more power than the panels are providing, the batteries will chip in as second in line, thus preventing the need to suck power from the grid. If not for the batteries, then you would, every little time that a cloud passes, then you would have to suck the power from the power company. Let's bring up your light bill. So these pay for themselves in short order. They pay for themselves. As you can see, we send the power up, send it over to the inverters. This is a little, what do you call this? A little bathroom area, like a closet area, like adjacent to where the power room is, and also adjacent to the hallway where the inverters are. I hope you guys like how this look. I really love how it look. I like how everything turned out, and I'm going to say a special thanks to our customers at this medical center, our health center, for their vote of confidence. It's a big investment, and you have to really be confident that you're going to see a return on your investment before you do. So I really appreciate that. It's encouraging, let's put it that way. Do you have an idea of the consumption in this health center? Average, analyzing the usage, they're using like 12,000 watts at easily. I mean, there's some ironing going on in this room right now. Today is not a sunny day, so on a sunny day, they probably use way more than that. That's like 12 air conditioning being on at the same time. That's probably about that, yeah. Let's imagine 12 ACs running at the same time. The consumption is high, and thus the electric bill. I imagine they have machinery. So if you have a place, you're thinking of going solar, you just invest in something that's going to give you the full returns. Get solar with batteries. These batteries give you a separate return from the solar panels only. These work at night, evening time. They work during the day, like today, a cloudy day today. They do the work, they put in the work. The time has come to tell you guys how much this 24,000 watt solar system costs. It costs 4.4 million Jamaican dollars today. Now, things fluctuate over time, but that's what it costs our customer today, with installation and everything included. Just to give you an idea, we're in January 2025 for reference. So whether you're running a business, whether it's for your home, Airbnb, whatever it may be, we install island-wide. So anywhere you want, we'll be there. So just, call any one of the numbers on the screen. If you want information, you can WhatsApp us as well. I hope this helps, to shine a light on clean, renewable energy to kind of bring you closer to creating a relationship, a different relationship with Mother Earth. So until next time, take good care of yourself.